the snow decided to come back. So we're inside baking today, and I want to share with you the best granola recipe that I've ever made. If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name's Brianna. Let's get busy in the kitchen. Today we're making orange almond infused granola. This recipe was recommended by a family member. It's also online, but I want to share it with you because I think it's really easy just to make your own granola. You can modify it by doing vegan-free, nut-free, and it's just more inexpensive to make and really simple without adding all the preservatives that usually come in a store-bought granola. So you'll need to get your ingredients ready. You'll preheat your oven to 350. For your ingredients, you're going to need 4 cups of old-fashioned oats, a half a cup of raw honey, a half a cup of melted coconut oil, 1.5 cup of almonds, or you can add whatever kind of nuts you want in there. If you want to make it vegan-free, then you would put pepita seeds, pumpkin seeds in there. I have about 3/4 cup of golden raisins, a tablespoon of vanilla, 3/4 teaspoon of table salt, 2 tablespoons of raw sugar, or you can do a coconut sugar. And then I have about 1 grated orange zest. So you're gonna mix with your fingers the orange zest and the sugar together. That will give you the infused flavor. My recommendation is to not put any of the white orange pith into it. It will make it really bitter. So just make sure you get that outside of the orange. So I'm mixing it in for a minute. Just like any other recipe, you're gonna mix your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients together and then combine them. So let's mix in our dry ingredients. Spices, oats, nuts. Yes, there's a little bit of sugar in there, but if you're sensitive to sugar, you can always do a different type of sugar. Now we'll mix together our coconut oil and our honey and our vanilla. Your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. This is unpasteurized raw honey from a local farm. If you want to make it vegan free, then you could use a maple syrup. And then you just stir it all in. Make sure those oats are coated nice with the oil and maple syrup. We already have our oven preheated to 350. And we're going to stick it in there for 15 minutes. Flip it and then add another 15 minutes. An idea for Easter, you guys can do this for an Easter brunch. Make this beforehand, or you can put it in a little mason jar and you can give it to somebody as an Easter gift. So it lasts about 2 weeks in a jar. All right, let's throw it in the oven. Ooh, this is thick. Okay. Can Mom sit by the fire? Zoe. 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 Is this your spot by the fire? Zoe. Zoe. The only way I can get Zoe to move from the fire, watch this. Zoe, who's here? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Hideaway Life. Zoe and I are gonna continue to sit by the fire and we're gonna flip our granola in about 15 minutes. That's just me. Poor Zoe.